friends, I'm back with the video for Tili Saru athwa Bele Saru, which is of the Karnataka style. So the ingredients required are dal, tuvar dal with some tomato. Tomato, if you need, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. Some jaggery, coriander, tamarind juice. I'm going to squeeze the juice out of this tamarind which has been soaked in water for some time. Salt, curry leaves, these are from our garden. Rasam powder, this is hing, which gives a very good smell aroma for the rasam. So I have cooked the dal in my favorite Instapot. So let me start making the rasam for you. So let me start with switching on the stove. So this is the cooked dal with tomato. Add it to the vessel. You need to note one thing. I'm going to beat this dal. The beaten dal gives a good taste to the rasam. Properly beat it. Add the jaggery, curry leaves. Now I'm going to squeeze this tamarind juice, which I had shown earlier. Okay. Since you have added tomato, you can add tamarind juice a little lesser than usual. If you are doing it without tomato, you can add more tamarind, and it depends on the sourness you require for the rasam. So here you see I have added curry leaves, cooked dal, tomato. And you can also see that the dal and tomato have blended well because I have beaten them properly. Now add some rasam powder. You can add as much as you want depending on the spiciness you require. Add some salt. One thing to note here is I usually add rock salt to it. So anything that boils and such things, it's easier to add rock salt, and this taste is also good. So, but this time I'm using the powdered Tata salt. Let the rasam boil for quite some time, as the taste gets better if it boils for a longer time. So I usually let it boil for around 5 to 6 minutes. So the rasam is boiling now. You might have to stir it in the middle. Keep stirring in between if needed, otherwise it pours out. Let it boil. Now you see the rasam has boiled very well. All the ingredients are blended very well into the rasam. Now is the time to add the finely cut coriander, and the tip here is always add coriander after the boiling of the rasam, because it's always good because of the aroma remains very well if you do it after you boil the rasam. Okay. And one more thing I would like to mention is the hing which I mentioned. You can add it to the rasam while boiling, or you can add it for the tadka. Now for the tadka, or what we call vaggarne in Kannada. So I have heated some oil or ghee you can use for a very good aroma. So I have heated ghee, and you can add some mustard seeds. now the hing. You can add it to the tadka also. I have added hing both while boiling as well as for tadka. Now pour this hot tadka in the rasam. One more tip here is mix the tadka well into the rasam, and I always suggest keeping the vessel closed immediately after adding tadka because the smell remains intact inside the vessel. So here you see your hot saru, tidi saru or yummy rasam is ready. You can serve it with hot rice and ghee. You'll definitely love it.